Good morning and welcome to the pre-market report for 19th July 2022. Now on the news front, there isn't much that can be said as the main news internationally was simply that crude had a good incline as of now. As you can see, WTI is up 4.45%. However, Brent did not follow that trend. Number two is that the American market turned negative. As last night initially I was seeing a lot of people very excited that okay, things are going to rocket up in the indexes, and I even tweeted that they're going to be taught a lesson. So that is the main reason, and the American markets did come down as per expectations. And then on the local news front, the main news is that for the airwave bid, Reliance has deposited 140 billion rupees, and Vodafone has deposited 22 billion rupees, and Bharti Airtel has deposited 55 billion rupees. Ironically, Adani has only deposited 1 billion rupees, which clearly shows that I think he's there more to act create uncertainty rather than anything else. So basically that's the only major news. As the other one is just IndusInd Bank will raise 20,000 crore via bonds on a private placement basis. Now let's come to the global indexes, then HDFC Bank, then Nifty and Banknifty. Now on the global indexes front, we can see yesterday the S&P 500 reached my contra resistance level again. It has been now rejected at that contra resistance level once, twice and thrice. So it was rejected again. So now we know it's obviously now it's clear that this resistance level works, that it will be very important for S&P 500 to break through it in the coming sessions. Now if it breaks through, then well and good. However, if it breaks the candle support of yesterday, then we're going back to the con support zone of 3770, you can say. Now for the Dow Jones, same thing. As we can see that the index again popped up above my contra resistance zone intraday, and then had a close right below it. So Dow Jones again, failure number one at my contra resistance zone, failure number two, and now this is the third failure. I'm not including this dip below it, as I had not shared it then. I had shared the contra resistance zone when we were at this point. Basically it was the end of June. So now it's also obvious here that it has to break above this, but it's not going to be that easy to cross it. And if we break the low of today's candle, then we're heading down. Now when we come to HDFC Bank, which I covered yesterday, HDFC Bank basically mostly managed to hold the low and it managed to close below the low of the prior day, as I had shared. So now HDFC Bank is to break the low of yesterday, then we are heading to the con support zone of 1,300 rupees. However, all who are trading in the FNO segment know that this won't be a simple option buy, that you just option buy and go down till there, because it can be bumpy if it breaks the low. So it will be easier to make money via option sells than option buys, and if you're going to try an option buy, then you better go through spreads, otherwise you're going to get beaten and you're going to lose money rather than gain, even if the stock falls. Now the next are the indexes. Now for the Banknifty yesterday, I had given clients 35,700 and 35,220 as resistance zone. 35,700, you can see, stopped the index right in the tracks, and we couldn't get a close above that at any point. It basically opened at that point and got slammed back down, and the Nifty basically also opened roughly at my resistance zone and formed a huge shooting star as it got slammed back down. So now today it will be very important to see if in the morning the SGX Nifty is indicating a gap down, so any up move which comes, is it able, number one, to break yesterday's closing price, and then is it able to break the 5,700 resistance level on the Bank Nifty. Why I'm highlighting the Bank Nifty more is that the Nifty only has 1-2 good movers which can move it into some like Reliance Industries. So it really needs the Bank Nifty support now to go through and go further on. So the 35,700 support zone, resistance zone, has come very important for the index as of now. So it'll be interesting to watch and see how the index performs at this zone, and once it opens with a gap down, which is indicating a 0.8%, how we move further on. That's it for today basically. Thank you for watching, and do like the video and subscribe to the channel.